Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for my friend Johnny down around Mississippi. Johnny got you ready to go. There's your fan grill guard on this Truckerized package, audio and power mods. You got your high cut filter there, 10 kilohertz switch there. Thing's ready to rock and roll. Carbon fiber mic right here. 500 watt slug. Our power all the way down. About 21 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 130. Show you average power swing. Oh, woo! 340 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. About 780p EP. Johnny, you gonna have a ball with this one, man. I appreciate your repeat business time and time again. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.